First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes manual, video cable, bracket, power cord, cigarette lighter adapter, green connector, T-tabs, camera, monitor. The bracket can be adjusted flexibly. Pull up the buckle. Align the bracket with the hole on the back of the monitor and snap it in. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screws. Tear off the bottom protective film. You can install it on the dashboard. And pull down the buckle. You can also mount it on the windshield. Pick out the video cable. There are two 4-pin connectors and a DC red connector on the video cable. Connect the other side of the video cable with the DC connector to the monitor extension cable. Connect the side of the video cable without the DC connector to the extension cable of the camera. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the DC connector. Insert the cigarette lighter adapter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Hold the sensor with your finger. You can see the LED light. The test finished. Now disconnect all wiring. Connect the side of the video cable without the DC connector to the extension cable of the monitor. Connect the other side of the video cable with the DC connector to the camera extension cable. Connect the power cord to the DC connector of the video cable. The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the backup light, license plate light, or tail light. The black wire is connected to the negative wire of the backup light, license plate light, or tail light ground. There are 3 keys: MP, up key, down key. Hold the sensor with your finger. You can see the LED light. Pick up the license plate. Align the camera bracket hole with the license plate hole. Fix the camera and license plate with screws. You can also mount the camera in front of the license plate. Fix the camera and license plate with screws. There are 3 keys: MP, up key, down key. When the guideline appears on the screen, press the M key. When the H appears on the screen, press the up or down key to move the guideline to the left or right. Press the M key. When the V appears on the screen, press the up or down key to adjust the height of the guideline. Press the M key. When the W appears on the screen, press the up or down key to adjust the width of the guideline. Press the M key to switch to the brightness. Press the up or down keys to adjust the brightness. Press the M key to switch to the contrast. Press the up or down keys to adjust the contrast. Press the M key to switch to the color. Press the up or down keys to adjust the color. Press the M key to switch to the hue. Press the up or down keys to adjust the hue. Press the M key to switch to the zoom. Press the up or down keys to switch screen size ratio. Press the M key to switch to the guideline. Press the up or down keys to turn off the guideline. Presses the M key to quit the menu mode. The guideline not appear on the screen. Presses the M key to switch to the guideline. Press the up or down keys to turn on the guideline. Presses the M key to quit the menu mode. The guideline appear on the screen. Presses the M key to switch to the language. Press the up or down keys to select the language you need. Press the M key to switch to the reset. Press the up or down keys to turn on the reset function. Note, the monitor will return to the default settings after reset. Press the M key to switch to the info. You can view the version information. Press the M key to quit the menu mode. There is a thin white line and a thin green line on the camera. Use the tool to cut the thin green line. Hold the sensor of the camera with your finger, and the LED light does not light up. Use the tool to cut the thin white line. Turn off the monitor's power and quickly turn on. The monitor automatically switches to normal image mode. If you need the camera light to be on, use a tool to cut off the rubber of the green wire. Please be careful not to cut the copper wire inside. Merge the cut green lines. Hold the sensor with your finger. You can see the LED light of the camera light up. Please note, you need to wrap the exposed copper wires tightly with insulating tape. Use a tool to cut off the rubber of the white wire. Please be careful not to cut the copper wire inside. Merge the cut white lines. Please note, you need to wrap the exposed copper wires tightly with insulating tape. Turn off the monitor's power and quickly turn on. The monitor automatically switches to mirror image mode.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.